The SUPPup rooftop carrier from Yakima is a universal, easy-to-use integrated carrier aimed at carrying stand-up paddle and surfboards. With fully rubberized contact points and an easy-to-use strap mechanism, the SUPPup is simple and extremely effective. A cam lever mounting system on the SUPPup's base ensures that this carrier can be mounted to almost all crossbar styles. Press the protective rubber pad into the top piece of the cam, slot the T section of the lower arm into one of the slots on the back of the top arm, then drop a T-bolt through first the bottom, then the top section of the mounting hardware. Spin a wing knob onto the T-bolt, repeat these steps for the other three mounting points, then the setup will be complete. The SUPPup is self-adjusting to the size of your board. The permanent side of the strap is mounted on a sliding channel, so pulling the strap taut will also adjust the far end to the perfect position to properly secure any width board. All the contact points between the rack and your board are fully rubberized, providing superior protection and cushioning, as well as a strong grip to hold your board in place. With pre-assembly complete, mounting to crossbars is very simple. The three slots on the back of the cam can be adjusted to fit different crossbar sizes, so you may need to reposition your cam lever depending on your bar's width. With the T-bolt pre-assembled, you can simply drop it through the slot in the lower cam arm, rotate it 90 degrees to catch in its channel, and begin tightening the wing knob to secure the rack in place. After laying your board on top of the carrier, position the rubber bumpers directly on the corners of the board. Yakima also recommends fully twisting the strap one time to prevent wind force from causing the strap to slap on the top of your board. Feed the loose end of the strap through the buckle in the plastic edge of the carrier, and use your weight to pull it fully taut. The excess strap can then be fed into the channel on the underside of the carrier. If you have any questions about the Yakima SUPPup or any of our other products, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us online at rackwarehouse.com.